Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Shopify Webhooks authorization easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section in the left sidebar. Click on Manage Private Apps at the bottom of the page. If prompted, enable private app development. Once enabled, click on Create a new private app. Enter a name for your private app in the provided field. Add a contact email for any notifications related to this app. Locate the Admin API section and select the necessary permissions based on your webhook requirements. After setting the permissions, save the private app. Take note of your API key and password displayed on the app's detail page. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Use the API key and password to create a basic authorization header for your webhook requests. The format for this header is authorization, basic base 64 encode, API key a password. For convenience, you can use online tools to generate the base 64 encoding of your credentials. In your webhook listener code, set up your application to receive HTTP requests. Choose the appropriate endpoint where Shopify will send requests. Implement logic to extract the authorization header from the incoming requests. Check the authorization header against your stored credentials. If the credentials match, process the request. If the credentials do not match, return a 403 forbidden response. Test your webhook using a tool like Postman to simulate requests. Ensure that your webhook properly handles both authorized and unauthorized requests. Monitor your webhook's performance in your application logs. Make adjustments based on any issues encountered during testing. With these steps, you can successfully authorize your app with Shopify Webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more steps.